Welcome to the third section of the course. In this section, we will cover the foundational services of AWS that are the computing, the networking, the storage, as well as the database services. So let's get started. Firstly, we will cover the Amazon Compute Services, and we will start by introducing Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or Amazon EC2. What is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or Amazon EC2? Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is AWS' primary web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It allows you to acquire compute through the launching of virtual servers called instances. You can use Amazon EC2 to launch many or few virtual servers as you need, configure security and networking, and manage storage. It enables you to scale up or down to handle changes in requirements or spikes in popularity, reducing your need to forecast traffic. You are paying for the computing power of the instance. You are charged while the instance is running. When you stop the instance, you are no longer charged.